Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Mr. Kreto, and this is very great that we're making a review on cryptocurrency platform. It's creating a lot of innovation solutions to the cryptocurrency world and also to the offline industry, and also those who are already involved on video content creators. So Aka is a solution to issues facing video bloggers. So Aka, a marketplace for video bloggers, that's of this video. So we'll be moving down the slide and I'll be showing more about the challenges this Aka actually solving and also the solutions and how Aka also works. I'll also be telling you about the teams that put this great works together. So let's roll up this slide. About Aka platform, Aka blockchain and AI platform is the first smart marketplace where content creators and seekers meet for a reliable services. Within this Aka marketplace is an AI algorithm, blockchain, smart contract, wallet, as well as a unique token through which secure transactions can be initiated in accordance to media services and API. The Aka happens to be the first AI and a blockchain marketplace where content creators and content seekers meet, thereby successfully connecting these two groups. Aka will become an ecosystem comprising of varieties of entertainment categories. Aka platform grants immediate and secure transaction in the marketplace via Aka token. Challenges facing the video stroke content bloggers. One of the major challenges facing them is that the lack of trust and transparency, like YouTube and other video platforms, high fees that YouTube charge other people's, and also other video platforms, intermediaries like the third parties that is acting as a intermediary between content creator and also those who need those content, delay in time of delivery, time consumption, language barriers, government restrictions, inability to use video and images for some content creators. How the Aka platform works. So let me briefly explain how the Aka platform works. Let's say this is a content seeker browse. So it connects to a content creator, which is a vlogger, also connect to script writer, video maker assignment. So this content creator can also connect to a consumer, and also this consumer can also connect to the brand. So these are how this particular platform also works. So it links both content creator, content seekers, and also the consumer at last. What makes the Aka platform unique? Aka has a lot of innovations, and these are the things that actually make Aka more unique, more than any other platform. You can see that is B2C. Aka and also other platforms like the Apple Influencer and other like the Petra, most of them lack the BCC2. So we also have B2, that is a B2B. Other platforms also lack these particular features. The ecosystem, also other platforms lack. You can see that artificial intelligence rankings certified. Aka is well certified in every areas, and only just the app influence and Dewa group have artificial intelligence. So Aka is ranked more higher than all these great platforms that is on board already existing. So Aka is coming on board using the blockchain technology to revitalize the entertainment industry and also to create to give content creator benefits of as a video creator. Benefit of Aka platform. Aka is a transparent. Aka made through the platform can be tracked, thus ensuring operational transparency. Aka is immutable. The information stored on the platform cannot be changed or altered by anyone, unlike YouTube that change or other video bloggers that change content creators' content. Aka is artificially intelligent, scientifically validated and supervised machine learning. Algorithm enable coherent and independent vloggers. Classification into a 6-level ranking kind of system. Then about the token that is already going on. Token details about the token supply is 100 million. The Aka, this is the Aka, this is the symbol. It's built on the Ethereum network, and the token allocated for private sale is 35 million. Token allocated to pre-sale is 10 million Aka. Token allocated for public sale is 10 million Aka. Token price is 0.2 euro. That is 0.5 to 0.5 euro. It has different stages where this Aka token is sold out. These are the Aka token will be distributed. 28% will be going to the company reserve. Also, the bounty and airdrop that is currently going on is 2%. 10% will be going for public sale. 10% will be going for also pre-sale, and also 5% will be going for advisory and partners that we already have. And also I'll be telling you about the partners and also the advisors that is currently that have a good partnership with this great platform. The roadmap, this is the roadmap 2019 blockchain system implementation, SEC and AI algorithm optimization for other marketplace. On board the first 1,000 vloggers and 10 brand market expansions. 2020, the update on the AI algorithm for new market. New SEC implementations will be good. Third quarter will also be continued marketplace expansion. That's what the ACA platform entails all throughout 2019 and 2020 and beyond. These are the great guys that put these great works together. Their names are Philippe Perotti. We also have our great guy here, Adrian Perotti. We also have Claudio Parotti. They have a lot of experience on the video and also content curating. We also have marketing and brand management, Matteo Lucentini, and Agostino Mosia, and also Atrius Caluzzi, project management. So they have a lot of experience on what they've been doing in the past year. So they brought a lot of experience together to make sure that this great platform is well structured and being successful now and the nearest future. These are the partners. We also have a Crypto Valley, our member already. We also have a Australian blockchain. These are the great partners that incorporate themselves into the ACA platform. And these are also the advisors. Derry Muller, Crypto Advisor, Reto Lita. This guy has a lot of experience on tokenization and KYC advisors. So Paolo Bamatansoni, economic crime investigation and anti-money laundering. So he's bringing experience into the ACA platform. We also have our NestSpark crypto lawyer. We also have artificial intelligence expert David Edna. They brought a lot of experience together to make sure that this ACA platform is well successful. So guys, before we wrap this video up, these are some information I want to give to you guys for you to get more information about this great platform. You can visit this website at www.aca.tech. You can also register on the website by www.platform.aca.tech. We also have our white paper already on the website, so you can download the white paper through this link. Also Yellow Paper and Thread, also Telegram, also Twitter, also Medium and LinkedIn, Instagram and Facebook. These are our social medias that you can get updates and about the ACA project that is currently going on. Guys, if you have any questions about this video, please drop a comment. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. Stay cool, guys. Bye bye.